everyone, welcome to on my YouTube channel Chemistry by Nitish Sharma. Our today's topic is to understand the different model of the point group. Okay, guys, we will check the next point group for this further in our next point group, that is CS point group. For the CS point group, we can clearly observe with the help of example which is shown in the figure. Its name is 1-bromo 2-chloro ethene, means there is double bond between the two carbon atom. Black ball represent our carbon atom and our orange ball represent bromine and green ball represent chlorine and white ball represent hydrogen atom, as you can clearly observe through this picture. Now you can already see that all the atoms are lying in the same plane. You can clearly observe that all these atoms are lying in the same place. Guys, you can check this front view of this molecule, and another this is the side view of the molecule. You can clearly observe that all the molecule lie in the same plane. So guys, now we check the number of rotation axis possible in this molecule. So first of all, we check C2 axis for this molecule. If we apply C2 axis, then means one C2 means theta is equal to 180 degree. So guys, first we check C2 axis along this axis. Okay, this is considered as C2 axis, but we can clearly observe that after rotation of 180 degree, this hydrogen atom replaced by this hydrogen atom, but but this is chlorine atom and bromine atom does not. Chlorine atom take place the place of bromine atom, and bromine atom take place chlorine atom. So we does not get equivalent configuration. As you can see guys, we cannot get equivalent configuration because both chlorine and bromine atom replace each other and they does not get equivalent configuration. If we check SU2 axis along this axis, then you can clearly observe that there is does not possible this chlorine atom replace hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom replace chlorine atom, so we cannot get equivalent configuration for this molecule. So this axis does not exist in the molecule. If we check through perpendicular, if we rotate 180-degree angle, then the orange ball, after the rotation of 180 degree, orange ball comes to the white ball. This ball orange after the rotation of 180 degree comes here. Okay guys, so we can clearly observe that we cannot get equivalent configuration after the rotation of 180-degree angle. So you can observe through this. I can show you it is not possible. This axis does not possible in the molecule. So now we check the if we exist their plane of symmetry present in the molecule. So if we check through this plane, we can clearly observe that the both hydrogen reflect each other, and this is equivalent, but chlorine and bromine does not reflect each other. This position of chlorine takes place bromine atom and bromine towards the chlorine atom, so we cannot get equivalent configuration after the refraction. So this plane does not exist in this molecule. So you can clearly observe through this. Now we check another plane, what sigma plane. If we passes through this axis, we cannot get equivalent configuration because this hydrogen atom after the reflection appears as chlorine atom, and this chlorine atom after the reflection appears as hydrogen atom. So we cannot get equivalent configuration. So sigma v plane does not exist. If but this molecule is planar, so there is existence of one plane in this molecule. That is, after the reflection of this plane, we can get equivalent configuration. So guys, there is existence of sigma plane. There is not presence of any C2 axis, so we cannot say that which type of sigma plane is present here. Only we can say that there is presence of plane along this molecule. So this is only denoted by sigma. We cannot denote it by sigma v, sigma h, sigma d, because there is no another axis. There is existence of only single plane. So guys, you can, if we check center of inversion in this molecule, if we consider center here and we go through the after through this point, and we can get hydrogen atom, so we cannot get equivalent atom after the passing through the center. And another is there is chlorine and there is hydrogen, so we cannot get a minus x, means a same atom after this refraction through this point. So sigma, so means I does not exist in this molecule. There is no rotation axis, only E and C1 possible because 360 angle is lying all the molecule, and there is only sigma plane. So guys, there is no existence of any axis, no existence of any vertical plane, horizontal plane, no existence of I. So the point group of the molecule is only only sigma is CS. So the point group of the molecules is or existence only CS for this molecule. So only if existence of sigma, there is presence of CS point group of this molecule. So guys, you can clearly understand through this model. Thank you guys for watching.